Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Art, and today I have a treat for YouTube content creators like you. And before that, I just want to make a shout out to two of our avid followers. This is for Sarah Faith L and for Simply Jessa. Thank you guys for watching, and let's start. Hello guys, if you are a YouTube content creator, you know that a thumbnail is one of the most enticing component of your YouTube videos. Having a good thumbnail can help your video get more views. A better thumbnail makes your audience curious and makes your video more professional. So here's an example. So let's compare the two thumbnails. Would you rather click this one or this one? So having a better thumbnail means that your videos will probably be viewed by more audience. Now I will show you how to make better thumbnails using your smartphone. All you have to do is to download this app. Hello guys, we're back. Now proceed to your application store and type in the application. The name of the application is Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. So let's click search. And this is it, the first application. Select it. So in my case, I have already installed the application, so there is only two options for uninstall and open. So if you haven't installed the application yet, you can install it first. So for this application, it has a 4.6 stars rating. So it's a relatively good software and it has good reviews. So let's open the application. So in the menu, you can see that there is a create, ready made, and my save, my edit, rate, and share. So for now, let's check out the create. So guys, for the next page, they will show you the sizes suitable for the projects you are making. If you are making thumbnails for Instagram, YouTube, covers or thumbnails, LinkedIn, Twitch, paper, device, for your cover, Tumblr, Pinterest, and so on. So they have a great variety of choices. So for this video, we will choose the YouTube thumbnail. On the next page, you can see the gallery. You can choose the photo you want to make for your background. So let's choose one. And let's choose this one. So now we are in the main editing page. You can choose the text, sticker, image, effect, or you may choose to change the background. So let's put some text. I will put some title, My Travel in the Philippines. So let's edit the text. You can move the text all around the image, the background, and you can choose to edit the font. And then you can choose the color of your font. It's more like it. Then the opacity and shadow. For my recommendation, I think it's better you choose to add some shadow and outline to your fonts to make it more visible. So I'll choose black for the outline, and I'll edit the size, and that's it. You have the title. Now let's put some stickers. So there are many stickers out here. So for travel, I choose this one. Oops, I think this is not suitable, so I'll choose another one. I'll choose this yellow van. I'll put it here, and I'll add another one. Subscribe, food, car, summer. I think I'll add this one. So let's resize this picture and put it here. And that's it, guys. Then choose the effect. The effect will be applied on the background. So there are numerous effects you can choose from. And you can adjust the opacity. As you can see, all your edits and all the components in the picture are arranged by layers. You can actually place the other layer on top of the other. So as you can see, the title is on top. Now I'll put it behind the yellow van, now on top again. So that's it. So after editing, you can download your thumbnail. Now let's proceed on making your thumbnail by choosing templates. So let's go back. So let's choose the ready-made menu. You can choose the project you want. So we will choose the YouTube thumbnails. So as you can see, there are ready-made templates out here. You can choose. It's arranged by categories: travel, love, fitness, new templates, summer, photography, music, and so on. So let's download one for photography. Let's choose this one. So now it's a ready-made template. So the text, the font style is all in place. All you have to do is to edit the contents. So for me, I'll just edit one text, and that's it. I'm finished with my thumbnail. But you can also use to put some stickers, add more image, edit the effects to make your thumbnail more beautiful or more sophisticated. So now I'll choose some effects, and I will add more text to make it more enticing. So remember, guys, to make your thumbnail more interesting to your audience. The more interesting your thumbnail is, the more possible that your audience will click on it. Now I have to edit the font to make it more visible and readable. That's it, guys. This is the finished product. You have made an amazing thumbnail. You can download this and it will be saved in your phone, and later you can use it on your YouTube videos. I hope this video helps you in making good thumbnails, and if you like this video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell for future updates. If you have comments and suggestions, please do share it on the comments section below. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless.